This is the all-new 2022 Amazon Fire 7. It has an updated design, faster processor, and just overall better performance from the previous Fire 7. We're going to go ahead and unbox it, set it up, and give you our first impressions of Amazon's newest Fire tablet. The processor inside is a quad-core processor, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and this tablet only costs $60. Now the previous Fire 7 only cost $50, so this new updated version is going to cost $10 more, but as you will see in this video, some of the features that have been added to this version, this updated version of the Fire 7, are definitely worth that extra $10. So the Fire 7 tablet has a 7-inch 1024 by 600 resolution display, and this is a very similar orange box that the other Fire tablets also come with. I have the Fire 7 in black, but you can also get it in denim and a rose color as well. As you open up the box, we'll see the Fire 7 right up top inside of a plastic. Amazon includes a USB to USB Type-C port inside the box as well. The previous model was micro USB, so it's nice that we're finally going to USB Type-C on these devices. You also get a 5-watt charging brick, so nothing special, no fast charging when it comes to this charging brick. But it's nice that Amazon is including this inside the box, especially because other more expensive devices, they're starting to remove that from the box altogether. But we're still seeing this in a very budget tablet. We'll go ahead and put all that to the side and let's take a look at the tablet. We'll remove that plastic from the Amazon Fire 7. And this is an all plastic device. You have a glass display on the front, but all plastic on the back. You can see that the Amazon logo has been flipped, kind of showing us that Amazon wants us to use this tablet more in a landscape orientation as opposed to the portrait orientation that the other one came with. We have a single 2 megapixel camera on the back as well. If we look to the right, we have a power button there, as well as volume up and down buttons, a microphone port. We can see the USB Type-C charging port there as well, and a headphone jack. So this will still come with a headphone jack. It's nice that these budget tablets are continuing to have the headphone jack included in their devices as well. At the bottom, we have the micro SD card slot. You can add up to 1 terabyte of storage into this device, and that is going to be very important because the Fire 7 only starts with 16 gigabytes of internal storage. You can also bump it up to 32 gigabytes of internal storage, but that starting price of $60 is only going to come with 16 gigabytes of that internal storage, which is very low. I wish this tablet would have started with 32, but I get it. It's only $60. You kind of get what you pay for. Up top, we have a single speaker port, and there's nothing there on the left side of the tablet. You have a single 2 megapixel camera on the front as well. And let's go ahead and power on this device, set it up, and see how it performs. Typical setup process for all Amazon tablets. You're going to need an Amazon account to finish setting up this tablet. And it looks like this Fire tablet even recognized who was setting up this device. It has my name right up there. I'm guessing because I purchased it through my Amazon account, they've kind of already registered this tablet to me. You can also change the login and log in with somebody else if you were to purchase this tablet as a gift, for example. So once the setup process is complete, we can see the home screen there, Fire OS. This is the typical home screen for all Fire OS tablets. You have 3 tabs there up top, a home screen, a library, and a For You. On the home screen, you can kind of move these icons around at the bottom, these applications around, and kind of customize it. That's really the only thing you can do. You can't remove any of those widgets. And there's a lot of applications pre-installed into this tablet that you cannot uninstall or remove. So that's another drawback with that 16 gigabytes of internal storage. That's going to get filled up pretty fast, especially because you have a lot of pre-installed applications on this tablet. In the library tab, you really can't customize or change anything there. And also for the For You, you can't really change anything there as well. So this is a very kind of basic UI. If you used Fire tablets before, it's pretty much the same UI as the other models. Now for those $60, keep in mind you will have ads on the lock screen, as you can see there. Every time you power on the device, you're going to get greeted with an ad from Amazon. Now, if you want to remove those lock screen ads altogether, you can pay an extra $15, but that would make the starting price of this budget tablet $75 instead of $60. Now, I don't mind having these lock screen ads because as soon as I unlock the device, the ad goes away and I'm able to use a tablet normally. So I don't have to wait to use a tablet or wait for an ad to finish before I can start using this tablet. it goes away right away as soon as I unlock it. Now with the previous Fire 7, I would always see some slowdowns, some stutters when I would use this tablet, and you can see something like that there, but after a while it starts to speed up a little bit and I'm not noticing too many slowdowns. You can definitely see it is quicker and speedier than that previous Fire 7 model, which is great. This device also has 2 gigabytes of RAM. That previous model only had 1 gig of RAM, and that's also going to help a lot with performance. Let's go ahead and test out the display and the speaker as well. We'll go ahead and put on a movie.
This feels so weird. What is that thing?
And you can see, once again, this isn't the sharpest display, the best looking display. You're not going to have a full HD image on this tablet, but it does look decent, especially for the price tag. The single speaker on here, if you can hear it,
fighting the Avengers in the bank on 21st Street.
It's a little muffled. It's not the best quality speaker, but you can't complain too much about this tablet because the price tag is so low. It's actually pretty impressive that only for $60, you can get this Fire tablet. It's a very good price for what you get. It's also a very compact device. Honestly, this is a perfect device for you if you were traveling or if you commute a lot to just take with you, because it is very compact. It's not very expensive, so if you were to happen to break it or lose it, it's not a huge deal because it does have that really low price tag. And really, this is just a quick unboxing and first impression of this updated Fire 7 tablet. I'm going to do a full review of this tablet, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Let me know with a comment down below if there's something in particular you want me to review on this tablet or talk about in that video, and I'll make sure to include as much as possible. If you don't want to miss that video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so we can notify you when that video is available. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you on the next one.